Oh, how embarrassing this is. I guess I'll take my hood off. You know what? Apple has decided to launch the Vision Pro 2 when the first one barely even made a dent. I mean, it didn't make a dent in sales. It made a dent barely in publicity. And yet they're doubling down instead of jumping ship. I'm not sure what Apple developers are thinking in their mind, but why would you continue along this path? And some would say, you know, bad publicity is good publicity. Well, this Vision Pro, the first release, there was no publicity. I still don't know anybody who owns this Vision Pro, and that's a problem. Because first of all, the price of it is just astronomical. At $3,500, practically nobody can afford these goggles, right? The price is just too much. But yet still, Apple somehow gets chance after chance after chance from its consumers. You wouldn't have given Windows or Android or Samsung or any of these other companies, I'm just naming out random companies, you wouldn't have given them the time of day. But just because it's Apple, hey, we're going to try this again. And there are a few individuals who are willing to buy this computer on your face that's extra heavy, right? Just to be able to work around and work through the spatial area. You know, it's not that major, right? It's really not that major. So anyway, I'm going to talk about the rumors today. You let me know how you feel about this in the comments. Leave in the comments if you have any questions about this, if you're sort of like, oh, on to the next subject. But we have to talk about it. So let's talk about it. Well, these glasses are refined. They're refining the design of the glasses, and it's going to take away the power adapter, and it's going to be tethered. Basically, you'll have to connect it to either your phone or your computer, and your phone or computer will be the power source. So look out for that. That's sort of like exciting to know. I'm always looking to see like what are these rumors? Which of these rumors are going to come true? So I wanted to share that with you. Just be on the lookout for that. As the goggles will be lighter. They'll be less bulky, probably more like glasses than goggles, but you'll be able to hook it up to your iPhone or your computer and use it as a power source rather than having, I don't know if you've seen the Apple Vision Pro glasses. Does anybody know anybody that owns one? Apparently I yet to know a person who does that. I've heard of people online who have owned them, and they're at the airport or on the plane, and people are like looking at like, what is that? So, but be on the lookout for that.